Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dirt Rally 2.0 in virtual reality. Start by making sure your virtual reality headset is fully connected and ready. Before launching Dirt Rally 2.0, fire up Steam VR first. This ensures everything is properly initialized. Also, double-check that your computer's specifications meet or exceed the recommended requirements for a smooth virtual reality experience, typically needing at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a powerful graphics card. Once in the game, navigate to the Virtual Reality Settings menu. Here, you'll find crucial options to fine-tune your experience. Start by adjusting the resolution and anti-aliasing to balance visual quality with frame rate. Many players find a sweet spot around 120% resolution. Don't forget to experiment with motion smoothing or reprojection settings, as these can significantly impact perceived smoothness and reduce motion sickness. For the best immersion, a good racing wheel and pedal setup is highly recommended. Once you're in the driver's seat, take a moment to adjust your in-game seat position. This small tweak can make a huge difference in comfort and how natural the driving feels. Remember to take short, 5 to 10 minute breaks every 30 to 45 minutes to help prevent any potential motion sickness and keep your experience enjoyable. If you encounter any issues, start by ensuring your graphics card drivers are completely up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for performance problems. Also, close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources. If problems persist, a quick search on community forums can often provide solutions, as many players have shared their experiences and fixes for common virtual reality challenges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.